When you got that installed, give the throttle once opening and check to see if you got clearance in between your accelerator pump and arm. But right now it's tight. You need to have at least 15 thousandths. It's bottoming out, so I adjust this nut here to give me at least 15 thousandths. And usually if it's not binding right there, you should be good. Open it up to see, and yes, there is still some play before it bottoms out, so that should be good as a starting point. Now set it to the side and start on your primary meter and block and fuel bowl. I don't install the main meter and jets. It had 69 in them to start off with, but the paperwork from Holley calls for 67, so I'm going to start with 67. It'll be a good starting point to figure out what it needs. Now install the new idle mixture screws O-rings. Just drop them in there and then take a little screwdriver and seat them. Then install your new needle and idle mixture screws. And I usually run them in until they're lightly seated, and then I back them out one turn, half, one. Then I installed a new power valve, putting a 4.5 in this one. You set your gasket on there and make sure it's centered, and the easiest way to do it is keep the meter and block turned upside down and screw it in, and that ensures your gasket is still in the center. You just watch it as it comes up. Gasket still centered up. Now you tighten it up. Now that the meter and block is all together, you can go ahead and put gasket on. Go ahead and put on your fuel bowl gasket. Set it to the side and grab your fuel bowl and do the same for the front fuel bowl as you did for the rear.